Let me tell you about this girl, maybe I shouldn't. I met her in Philly, and her name was Brown Sugar. See, we been making love constantly, that's why my eyes are a shade blood burgundy. The way that we kiss is unlike any other way that I be kissing when I'm kissing what I'm missing, won't you listen? Brown sugar, babe, I guess.
Hey mamas, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Danielle Naomi, and in today's video I'll be showing you guys how I did this wig from Beauty Forever. So I pretty much did my glueless install, and I just wanted to show you guys how I get the job done. Super easy, and for all the products I used today, it'll be in the end of the video where I list and tell you what exactly I used. So far so good. I'm loving the lace. It blends really well with my skin tone. So easy to do the baby hairs, and the hair is super silky bone straight. This wig is actually their ginger unit in 24 inches and straight. Living for it. The luster and shine is everything. If you would like to purchase this wig off rip, which I would highly recommend, the links will be in my description box to do so. And let's jump into today's tutorial.
High off your love, I don't know how to behave. Sugar got me open, now I want some more. Always down for all my nonchalant, but I think I'm here to solo. Who my niggas don't mind. Stick out my tongue and I'm about ready to hit this gritty pretty bitty with persistence. Yo, I don't think y'all hear me. Brown sugar, babe, I guess high off of love, don't know how to behave.
It's not that I don't want you here, yeah. It's something about the way you stare into my eyes. I know that I don't make things clear. I fall for you every time I try to resist you. We can get away, palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions I replay. Sit right next to you, you. I try not to show how I feel about you. You wish you way. You don't really want to, I just wanna get away. Sit right next to you, you. I wanna kiss you, yeah, I just wanna feel you, feel you. I want you around, around. Come through, I think I need you here. I swear it's hard to keep these feelings to myself. Now you're the one I'm thinking of. My higher ground, my rocket low. Fuck gravity, I'd rather stay up here. We can get away. Palm trees, beach views, ordinary day. All I wanna hear is in the visions on replay. Sit right next to you. You. I try not to show how I feel about you. Thinking wish you away, but we don't really want to. I just wanna get away and sit right next to you. You. I don't wanna kiss you. Yeah, I just wanna feel you. Feel you. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around. Around. I want you around.
Okay mamas, so this is the finished result, and this wig is from Beautyforeverhair. They went ahead and sent me this 24-inch 13x4 straight ginger wig, and this is what it looks like. Let's just clock this silkiness real quick. I am loving everything about this hair. It's nice and full. The color is everything. It complements my skin tone really well. I was really iffy about doing a full color wig without black roots, but this just like blew me out the park. So I definitely would recommend, if you are my skin tone or if you just want to rock this wig, to get this wig, because it just looks so beautiful on my skin. Like, I love it here. The install was really easy, and of course I did my glueless. I used my Kenra holding spray, volume spray in 25 for my edges, and I used the Ebin Lace Wonder for my lace, and this is just what we're giving right now, like everything, period. So if you'd like to purchase this unit, the links will be in the description box for you to do so. And without further ado, I will see you all in my next one. Bye babes.